my have one a tear for the Biamo Ositatiwa, OTTV so, and then them dear Brahman dear, a rich more, a mood to one casta, they say a mood to ye, my children serve with death, my dear Brahman, Timmy Moonson. Hey, Messi, you call up me carbon, think of Bussy, or be so name Papano, Papano, be also name Papano. Now, dear Papano crab by, what was I said then, the Papana by. Once was I said then, the Papana by. Only Mr. Tracy Boache, and Mizbel, anyone could kind of offer us up upon one bow. Now, me per se. So much we are more there. Like I said, Mutie, dear Hoffa, Papa, no by, Namu Mutie, we are, and the dear Twash and Mamma, Pachama is Mana Mutie. Papa no one show was super papa. And no, but sometimes I'm a poor man. Then I walk up to a bed man or bleachy, not just skin girl. Well, say, a mistake no air nobody back into me channel. And I'm a dear channel. What's a one and a woman? I'm a manager. What's a I don't know woman, no, my woman manager. It shows how useless you are. Also, what I doubt. Penny girlfriend, pack a car will you see.
Near me here, this a car, I am comfortable. I condition with me. I don't like too much flashiness. So, me have a crab of a petrol, mammy, and me a tomica. Not me, dear goom. Near here, this a car air condition. Someone saying don't throw her. It's one, me pay, me, madame, be a semi hard worker. Hard work. Munya hard work.
Hey, what you what, manka? Someone with their coffee by, someone more sooner. Marshall money swaggy, mebois, marshe, where they are Chinese and our sumo. A champion as and Constant and our sumo, more mati, nay a cook room. The amount for so kind, Miniano, and me.
I never has something must kill a man. If
what's it something must kill a man? Yes, a man or a woman.
Something must kill a man.
Ma'am and Pacho, good afternoon. Pacho, your friend, me didn't do security work of every now and then.
Sophia Manqua.
Okay, Sophia Manqua. And Pacho, OTTV, yeah, I see a busa. Simbi a few honor. Now me pacho and maybe I'm social media say papano. Me pacho unim papano. Now what is asem kronana?
Me did that. Me nim papa kronso.
Hello, good afternoon. Me pacho your friend me osikati bua papa me ni OTTV and now me pacho near me be and social media say papano. Me pacho what is papano?
Pacho, Matilda, me, said I need papa.
Yes, we are named Papano, Yanam from Elbus as a Papano, and I won't say her, won't so be cry air Papano, and I won't need any clue, say, Ebia, Mr. Asumesi, and I say, Mr. and also be say, Mr. Asumesi.
Oh, we say, Red or Mahama Bami, say, or one, I say different person.
But I sure say President Mahama.
We knew.
Young so say, you okay, and I say Tracy watching Mizbel, you know, and also advise Ben out the more because they saw me as celebrities. Inti, oh, yes, you say better than show more image, and I say, BB.
I know, dear, me, yes, better than show me image because or more, or me, just celebs, no more. If then the more they train, the more the more problems happen, the more they train. Into I know, dear, me who say better than show me image, and I do. Mizbel say she started like that. You know, it's normal, something normal. Like when she started, she was like ebony type and those things. So when something like this happened, it's normal. But they just but you know, what's surprising we can cry because no, now me feel so bad in this man.
Okay, that's a that's it. Someone me pacha wo. Onte near maybe because of social media say papano. Pacha what to be about papa nana?
Yeah, it's something concerning. There's a picture of Mahama, and then people are talking about him, saying stuff like that.
Okay, me pacho for people no money why mono. Unti for modest allegation, say allegation and I say a real fact.
That's what I don't know about, because Different people are talking about it.
Okay, so what advice will you give to Mahama concerning this papa no papa because they said it's Mahama. So what advice will you give to him?
In a position like this, you are bound to receive backlashes and everything like that. You just ignore them. It's bound to happen. You can't just run away from it. You definitely have it. So just forget them. That's all.
So you think it's a normal thing to cheat on your wife if it's Mahama?
Well, if it's Mahama and it's the truth, that's where the punishment should come in. But if it's just a rumor, then he should just ignore it. But if he knows to himself that it's true, he should face the consequence.
In some be across social media, and I mean some girls see there. Definitely, move because we'll be our YouTube, I guess. I have a patch. Yes, say Papa no. Unim be before Papa no. Maybe so first. Unim she for Papa no. Say yes, Papa no. Tracy Boache, Mizbel ne Kanu and stuff.
Ghana Fwana, Omoya. Papa no, the Papa no is Jim. The woman hasn't come out to say the Papa no is Jim, and she's not ready to disclose the child's father. Munjaino, like. You guys must accept to change. If they are using this as election, then to become something, you don't stop.
Okay, so muchaso.
Yes.
Your life, your personal. They shouldn't adjust it to election.
She's not ready to disclose the child's father. If she is, she will come and talk.
Okay.
She said some stuff about Mizbel. She insulted her.
Okay.
She came out say no.
Pacho, mami busa sister.
Me auntie, but I'm not almost say papa no, but I don't know. Then of course, but my sister Tracy watching Mizbel master. But I mean, I don't know who is telling the truth and those stuff. So, and they mean it.
Okay, me pacho. Say me sumi me no tell ya namu busa say papa no ne hwan no. Me pacho onsu ni.
Pacho Devi. I don't have any idea of that.
Eti mommy say nyina monte Ghana ha. Obi anim papa no. Well, me so cry me papa ntia ye.
So much of papa no.
Okay, madam asibebre. Me pacho ne nsem bi ekoso ewo social media na aga na obi ansu ti. Ya say papa no. Pacho what papa na na.
Obi tie.
Pacho otie ye no. Otie ne sen. Otie ne sen ye kan ne sen.
Me obi din na yem pese but so bubu obi. She was able to mention some of them, so if she's not able to mention that one, it means she's hiding something from us.
Okay, and one kasa no uha ba unim papa bi wo wadwin mu ana say.
Oh no, that one there is out. But I know all his politics.
Okay.
So no, opeso ogu obi enimasi, but why do you mention others name and then you leave that papa? What you say? So it keep us in suspense. People are thinking, who is that papa? So definitely it will be a big politician who are dashing out money meant for the state to them. Do you understand?
Yeah, but see a busa wasem. For social media, there be trendy with social media say papa no. Pasha won't say if you farm.
Mati bibi sans minima de ko. Mati papa no ba minima sam teacher nti a omo ka papa no. Mati me kwa ma post bi ba minima de ko die.
What post this uni mado ko die.
Ma post so bia e na wa ka e trend minima de ko die. So bia ka papa no. I don't know what papa no means.
Asa obi asro so obebo din o ana.
Oh, to be frank, I don't know what papa no means.
Pacho why ni papa na what asem kra ye fe no papa no.
Your family Samuel. Papa no dear. Me di ya membo. But the oil na me nim say enye no kre. Oba no dating now oni Mizbel asem no enye no kre. But go the Ghana for there yate no too much. E say bra ye ho asem ye wudi wa ye be ko ama asem na ebe din but am of say asem here e tele ni sa anya ba. He say ma say still now oni Mizbel here e hye wa na bibisa but e say hu the way ni among for Becassa, who do I send a bay idea?
Hey, and a brow wouldn't fill up. Oh, only fill on a pan, mepa show. So only ma was a capano, but to be a carpet to me, Abba Papani the actual.
They mean to be Momo. We got me bound lives, they mean to money inside, the body dear, and we are, but I see you senior bay and Yama. There's me body.
Mepa show ya that's a pan.
I've heard about
it. What did you hear about them?
That they are fighting over. I think they said Mahama is the baby daddy of Tracy's daughter. So,
and are you sure it's true?
No, I'm not sure. It's not true.
Oh, okay.
Yes, so there you point to my way station. ye fira ye ko ye fie o mu no mu nkwa ko mu fa so mu hu papa no to nko ma kire ase wa ha
me pa cho okay ene ese wate ena abaya emaya no mu kono de afutuo na ade be ma wo mu
afutuo ya de be ma wo mu de seja Ghana ya pasumine sense hu no mo wo man ma mu de no ese o mu hwe no mu jai na ya ho to yen because munku na ha o kire se na Ghana ye nse din Ghana nya kuro ye na ye Ghana independent first ye je ye ho se ye nsem keten ma ye kwa animu sa nkwa sa se no mo wo ma ye ma na wo ma ye mu di no mo hwe no mu njai na ye ho to ye wo man mu
okay me pacho say ya nim papa no woni papa na enka da asem na obeka na da asem na obeka che Ghana man nyina
me ni papa ndi ase ade asa onu oba emperifo bu bebi se oba onyem eno nim nuku enti se me metu onum se na se me nim se Mizbel se enye me obo me di se tije na bedi mi ayemia
yes that's all
so obo me di se tije na bedi mi ayemia because onim mi a wan ka se me enti no de minimum wo ho anu no
me pacho ya da wase bebre
ba de mmeka che Ghana for man no ye stars ne se de omo ye nanyen omo gu omo ho anim as too much se bibi ni a wonu afon akwa ne ho na wo ne nka emfa meto social media wo yesa ugu man anim as esa ni die bia ni wo ye fra wo show anase ye fra obi baby na wo ka obuo bia ani won omo gu omo ho anim as nto omo nto omo bo ase no mo abrabo ni yie no mo nya social media no omo ye omo ho nyoma na enye kra omo say ya man ye din bebre amaya say ye ni out crampo na mema na kasa rough tray ye enye fine so omo ho ntew asema e wo Ghana ha
me pacho ofutuo ben na ara papa no oso unim ni din na ore na efi ofutuo ben na
asem wo TV ni so bai e woni de ma adwan ko wonti
timpacho ofutuo ben na ode be ma no
ofutuo me de be ma Ghana for mema ni papa na nkasa nyina ni se omo madia form omo ajapade ntu omo ahem se ba ko no metna omo ntena no omo nyai mekwa eno so ese ebusua ne namfo ntem ese nyoma bebre wo ya brabo
ye anuano se me de mo amasumwa mo ma kemo ni so ade o chia mi a oni masem kwase na mo asumwa ye ko krom no hu die si ye ebi se minim se ebi amanfo suro se ebi nso mo mpe mo ho asemo minim nto mo ehu na ye kan busa ne ye ma mi bia wade hin awo man yin all pe president bi ye ma me ba ko pe ekuadon ko si me ko ye ko bisa me ko si la company mama yentie
Jawama
What's that one?
Silva 98.3 FM. Papa no enye wo monko akura bebre hye ho.
Hey sir. For the bebre hye for sir.
Baako agogo. 2016 kura wo gina mpi ewo agogo no mo ato ama no.
Sir.
Wa be bo be na ya tenu ni.
Oni mahama.
Wo ni mu kura mai, wo ni mahama.
Hey.
Wa kura be ka ti wo ko to kura. Wa ko to bi kura ba kai etema. No to so tiom.
Wa to fia ma no tema.
No to so tiom, wa ko to fia ma tema. Abra tiko. Se je wono ko ana mete kesi yazo waba ko bi nso gina mpi wo ntemo wono so wa sigo ibe Tracy kakra bi wo ka so ade ama no leti ni ate ni na ana achema sakura wasa obi so ko wasa wo akasa ma no je gina mpi no ne ho ne bi
Silva 98.3 FM.
Yes wa yi bi pa ya kama papa no ani ale do mo be se bodura ma bodura ke
hey sir
mama o se eji de no o bi o ma trese o jira mpi ho no o ko no ma o wo busa obi a waka je fe ni me no ni ayi ni me enti sa ono ana ma ni jira mpi ni sika ku ko ma so fe ni mpi ni nyago ampi fo ma ba no aya ye jira mpi ni ta ye pe so je obi a ye ni pra
Hey.
Obiara biara wana kuku sikari ma wo de fa ko jina mbi no de akoye.